All right, folks, clinician to mental health CEO, let's talk about one of the biggest perks of going into private practice, and that's being able to set up your own schedule. Now, I know that sounds dreamy until you realize setting your own schedule also means setting your own rules. So let's talk about how to do that and set up a decent schedule without, or at least minimizing, the chances of you experiencing burnout. The first thing you want to do is you want to try your best to design your schedule for energy, but not necessarily for availability. Here's what I mean by that. If you know that you're the type of person who your brain is completely fried by 3 p.m. on a Thursday afternoon, then that is not the time to start stacking your clients after that. Ideally, you want to stack your clients before that. Go ahead and schedule your week around the way that you function best. Next, go ahead and make sure that you are theming your days. Theming is not a word. Go ahead and make sure that you set themes to your days. And I've talked about this before in prior videos. For example, you may make Monday your admin days and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are your session days. Friday might be your light day, your off day, or your creative CEO day. This can allow you from keeping your brain from bouncing left, right, up, down. The good thing about being your own boss is that you could set a schedule that works for you and not one that traps you like so many of us have felt working for other organizations. So just remember, and I know it's not always easy, but you left agency life for a reason. You do not want to recreate the same habits or the same patterns in private practice.